I told you that you had to compete in a tournament against a bunch of Prodigy pros, would you be able to win? Okay, maybe you can do that, but now let's take away your armor. Now, would you be able to win? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to be trying to do today. But first, I have to find a tournament. Okay, I just found this tournament called the Winter Snowdown, and I think that I can win this one, because you can only wear holiday or winter themed outfits, so I should have a decent shot at winning. But I had a lot of preparing to do, so to get ready, I started a stream to see if this was even possible. I had somehow managed to not lose a single battle, but to make sure this wasn't a fluke, I decided to battle one of my friends who is actually good at the game. I had tied with my friend, meaning that it was possible to beat someone with armor, but now it was time for the tournament. Okay, so we are battling Woodland Marvin for our first battle. As long as he doesn't have a ice pit that has fire attacks, I think that we should be fine. Let's hope that he doesn't have them. Okay, let's go. And it misses, so we have guaranteed that we move on to the final four. Let's go. Okay, so this next battle is against this person, Carly Garden Dancer. Okay, so they went with Glyshell and Tortoise, meaning they are hackers, but I don't care because those are some pretty bad pets. Here we go. We should get the W. We do. We have somehow made it to the finals, which is very surprising. And there we go. We won. Okay, so we have to battle this guy, Robin the Wizard, for our final battle. Hopefully we can win this and win the championship with no armor. Okay, so they are using Arcturus and Arturion, which is kind of questionable. Okay, so they do 3,786 damage. We do 3,816, which has been more than we've been doing for recent rounds. Okay, here we go. 4,187. We should be able to take them out next hit. Let's see how much they do to us. 4,184. Okay, here we go. We take out their wizard. 4,479. Hopefully... Okay, I was gonna say hopefully they use Supernova, but they didn't. They use Falling Star Smash. I don't know what multi-attack Arturion and Arcturus have. But we are going to go Tempest and Wildfire. Okay. Why did they use Spherical Crush? 3,000 damage to each of us. We do 4,406 damage. And this is looking very, very good for us right now. Hopefully they go with their ice attack, which would be Snowing Ball. Okay, let's see. They use Snowing Ball. I think they could have used a multi. And then we use Snowing Ball. Also, 4,758 damage. Hopefully we can do this. Okay, we're gonna put in Ruckus. They are going to have to put in Arturion. Okay, we have 6,193. I think we can win this. Okay, here we go. Please do 4,000 plus. Yes, let's go. 6,590. Hopefully Arturion doesn't have a fire, and it doesn't have a fire attack. 5,009 damage. Oh my gosh, we just won it without using any armor. I don't know how we did that, because we had to face 3 people, and we somehow beat all of them. Okay, you might say this is a Mickey Mouse win, but I did win against 3 people, so it's a win.